keeper.
Carmen's a keeper, huh? All right. So, what else?
Okay. So we went through all that.
So we got
Okay,
I think the highlights of what we have here.
So this is sofa bed linens. This would be our sofa bed linens. So let's take a look at this. First of all, this is grossing me out. This blanket right here is just absolutely grossing me out. I don't know. I mean, I don't want that in my house. So let's get rid of that. Let's donate that. It's, you know, it's got peely things
So
on
it looks old. It looks,
just,
and
yeah.
it really does look like.
I would not want this on my children.
And I have to say, even as a guy looking at it,
Wow,
it looks old.
no.
Yeah, I would say get rid of that.
Okay.
It doesn't even make my grade. I know,
So-
isn't that sad?
We have 2 blankets here, and we have 2 sofa sleepers out there. We have 2 sets of sheets, but we need more.
More blankets, more pillows.
Yeah, because really, technically, we could have 2 and 2. So we need 2 more pillows and probably maybe a comforter for each, but we'll get that. But we're going to get rid of this. We're going to donate this.
Okay.
Big bag of donation. What? And then with this, what do we do, Joe?
No, so someone's gonna have to come back through here. There's a lot that needs to get done,
and
which we're not
this.
gonna do
This
that.
is good. This was here, and this is what we need in every house.
Correct.
And this has kind of been our tool thing, so they, you know, people can, and there's a lot of scissors in here, and.
But as I was kind of describing earlier in the previous video, it's going through something like this.
Yeah.
Organizing it, trying to figure out what's necessary, what's not necessary.
Yeah.
If there's certain things in here that just has no value,
And
then either you're going to get rid of it, donate it.
So I'm not sure why this was in the drawer, because it doesn't belong in a drawer. We either find a home for it on the wall, or take it back to the office, or donate it. I don't know if it went somewhere or not.
Right. Okay, but we don't need to necessarily go...
I know, I'm just kind of giving her an idea of things that we don't need in here.
Right.
And it just clutters things up. What is this? Wireless? Is this something that we might need?
It says wireless outlet dimmer, control 4. Now this used to be part of the system that used to be in this home.
What are these?
It looks like remote. Let's see, Jack and Mary. I think that was their emergency. No, I think that was their alarm code activation, deactivation for the house.
This probably goes underneath the king bed.
Or the bed, yes.
Okay.